In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate a Wix website. Navigating through the digital landscape can seem daunting at times, but with these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to making your site accessible to a wider audience, all in just a few minutes. Let's begin with the basics. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Wix account. This is your gateway to making any edits or updates to your website, so head over to wix.com and enter your credentials to get started. Having your account credentials handy will streamline this process significantly. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Wix dashboard. Look for the site you wish to edit. Once you see it, go ahead and click on Edit Site. This will take you right into the editing interface, where all the magic happens. From here, you'll be able to make a variety of changes, and adding multilingual functionality is one of the most impactful choices for reaching out to a global audience. Now that you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and select the Apps option. This is where you'll discover a variety of features designed to elevate your site's functionality. What you're looking for specifically is the Wix Multilingual app, a vital tool for translating your website. Once you've found the Wix Multilingual option, go ahead and add it to your site. This app is incredibly user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with your existing design. It is structured to help you set up translations effortlessly, allowing your content to resonate with speakers of various languages. Now that you've added the Wix Multilingual app, you should see it appear on your dashboard. Click on Manage within the app menu, and this will lead you to the settings related to languages. Here is where you'll manage your website languages and customize your multilingual options. You can also add more languages to cater to different regions and demographics. In managing your multilingual settings, you can choose which languages you want to add. Wix Multilingual provides various options, so consider who your target audience is and select languages accordingly. This way, your content will be more inclusive and better suited to meet the needs of an international audience. And that's it. By following these steps, you've now enabled your Wix website to reach a broader audience by making it accessible in multiple languages. Translating your website is not just a technical enhancement. It's a strategic step toward welcoming visitors from different cultures and expanding your reach globally. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. With the simple addition of Wix Multilingual, you're already on the path to engaging with a diverse and expansive audience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Wix website's potential.